students, we see next example, that is 10th example of practice set 5.2. Now here example number 10, find the coordinates of the points of trisection of line segment AB with A of 2, 7 and B of 4, minus 8. Now first we draw this line segment AB. Coordinate of point A is 2, 7 and B are minus 4, 8. Now we have to find the coordinate of point of trisection of this line segment. Trisection, that is, this segment divides in 3 parts. Now first we consider, let P of, or first write down given A of 2, 7, B of minus 4, minus 8. Now let P of x1, y1, P of x1, y1 and Q of x2, y2 trisect the line segment, AB. Trisect the line segment AB. Therefore, now this is trisect line segment AB. Therefore, AP is equal to PQ is equal to QB. That is, 3 parts are equal. That is, therefore, AP is equal to PQ is equal to QB. Now, this is number 1. Now, first we have to find coordinates of this point, that is coordinates of point P, that is x1, y1. Now, write down this as AP upon PB. Now, AP upon PB is equal to, now we write this as AP upon PB is written as PQ plus QB. PQ plus QB is equal to AP upon, now by using 1, AP is equal to PQ is equal to QB, therefore put value of PQ is AP plus this QB is also AP. Therefore is equal to AP upon twice AP. Here AP get cancelled, is equal to 1 upon 2. This is AP upon PB. AP upon PB. Therefore, AP is to PB is equal to 1 is to 2. AP is to PB is equal to 1 is to 2. Now, therefore, P is the, now we have to find coordinates of point P. Now, P divides segment AB in the ratio 1 is to 2. Therefore, P divides segment AB in the ratio 1 is to 2. Therefore, by section formula, now here value of M is 1, N is 2. Now what is section formula? Section formula is X is equal to. Now here this point divides, therefore take here point x1. x1 coordinate is equal to, now mx2, value of m is 1 into x2, x2 is minus 4, divide plus n is, value of n is 2 into x1, x1 is 2, divide by m plus n, that is 1 plus 2. and also y is equal to my2, m is 1 into y2 is minus 8 plus n is 2 into y1 is 7 divided by m plus n, that is 1 plus 2, is equal to minus 4 plus 4 divided by 3 is equal to 0 upon 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, x coordinate is 0, and here y is equal to minus 8 plus 2 into 4, 14 divided by 3 is equal to 6 upon 3. Dividing by 3, y1 is equal to 2. x1 is equal to 0, y1 is equal to 2. Therefore, coordinate of this point are P of 0, 2. Therefore, coordinates of P point, therefore, coordinates of point P are 0, 2. Coordinates of point P are 0, 2. Now we have to find coordinates of point Q. Now here these three are equal parts. Therefore, if we consider segment PQ segment consider के लिए, the Q is the midpoint of this PB. Now, from figure, Q is the midpoint of segment PB. Q is the midpoint of segment PB. Q is the midpoint of segment PB. Now we have to find coordinates of point this Q. Therefore, by midpoint formula, coordinate x coordinate, that is x2 is equal to, now x1 plus x2, write down directly, 0 minus 4 divided by 2, or y is equal to 2 minus 8 divided by 2 is equal to minus 4 upon 2, dividing by 2, x2 is equal to minus 2. Here minus 6 upon 2 dividing by 2, minus 3. This is y2. Therefore, coordinates of point Q are minus 2, minus 3. Coordinates of point Q are minus 2, minus 3. Therefore, the answer is coordinate of point P and coordinate of point Q. Write down coordinates of point P and Q. Therefore, the coordinates of the points of trisection of line segment AB, trisection of line segment AB are P of 0, 2 and Q of minus 2, minus 3. This is the answer. Now question number 11. If A of minus 14 minus 10, B of 6 minus 2 is given, find the coordinates of the points which divide segment AB in 4 equal parts. Now first we draw the figure. Segment AB 4 equal parts. Now we consider let P of x1 y1, Q of x2 y2 and R of x3 y3 divide this segment in 4 equal parts. Let P of x1 y1, Q of x2 y2, R of x3 y3 divide segment AB in 4 equal parts. In 4 equal parts. Therefore, all these 4 are equal parts. Therefore, AP is equal to PQ is equal to QR is equal to RB. This is number 1. Now, AQ is equal to, now from this, therefore, or these 4 are equal parts, therefore, first we find the coordinate of point Q, that is Q is the midpoint of segment AB. Therefore, Q is the Q of, first write down coordinate Q of x2 y2 is the midpoint of segment AB. Therefore, by midpoint formula, now x2 is equal to now x1 plus x2, that is minus 14 plus 6 divided by 2, and y2 is equal to minus 10 minus 2 divided by 2 equal to minus 8 divided by 2 dividing by 2 minus 4. x2 is equal to minus 4. Here minus 10 minus 2 minus 12 divided by 2 dividing by 2 minus 6. Therefore, y2 is equal to minus 4. Coordinates of point Q are minus 4, minus 6. Now we have to find coordinates of point P. Now here P is the midpoint of segment AQ. Therefore, by midpoint formula, for x coordinate, that is x1 is equal to minus 14 minus 4 divided by 2, y1 is equal to minus 10 minus 6 divided by 2. That is minus 18 divided by 2, that is minus 9. Here minus 16 divided by 2 dividing by 2 minus 8. Therefore, coordinates of point P are minus 9 minus 8. Coordinates of point P are minus 9 minus 8. Now we have to find coordinates of point R, and R of x3 y3 is the midpoint of segment QB. Therefore, by midpoint formula, x coordinate, that is x3 is equal to minus 4 plus 6 divided by 2, y3 is equal to minus 6 minus 2 divided by 2, that is minus 4 plus 6, 2 upon 2, that is 1, x3 is 1, minus 6 minus 2, minus 8 divided by 2, y3 is minus 4. Therefore, coordinates of point R are 1 minus 4. Therefore, our answer is the coordinates of points which divide segment AB in 4 equal parts are P of minus 9 minus 8, Q of minus 4 minus 6, and R of 1 minus 4. This is